An average Indian walks over 15 lakh steps every year. That's thousands of memories made, carried by our shoes. But how often do we care for them?
Polish for weddings? Maybe. Scrub in panic before going to a party. That's about it.
And that's why we started SHOEGR. Because in a country that's now the second largest footwear consumer in the world, it's time we truly understand how to really take care of our shoes.
August 2021, we launched our first kit with only 300 units and got sold out within weeks. Today, SHOEGR is a 24-year-old brand selling across multiple platforms: Amazon, Myntra, Ajio, Flipkart, our website, and now even in UAE.
In the last few years, India has moved from budget basics to spending thousands on sneakers, boots, sandals, clogs, and more. And this modern footwear needs more than detergent, toothbrush, and guesswork.
So we created India's first shoe cleaning kit with 3 specially designed brushes and launched our first product, the ultimate shoe cleaning kit. Since then, we have expanded into suede care, crease protection, wipes, fresheners, and even sneaker laundry. Everything built for Indian weather and Indian streets.
We're just not building products, we're building a lifestyle. It's a way to show that your shoes deserve love just like your skin, your fit, and your form.
With 94% positive feedback and 4.2 stars rating across the board.
It's clear, people just don't need this, they are ready for it.
Because when your shoes are clean and cared for, you don't just walk, you make an entrance.
We are SHOEGR and we are here to teach India to love your shoes.